Driver's licensing works for you.
I'm here to apply for the job.
Great, I have an application here. If you want to take that and fill it out around the corner.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh wow, I really hope I get this job. It would be really nice not to have to ask my parents for money when I want something. That always gets me in trouble. Speaking of trouble, I hope they don't find out about that one time. Well, it was a long time ago. I just hope it's still not on my record.
How can getting into trouble as a youth affect a young person's future?
Making poor decisions as a youth can create problematic situations in the future. Such problems may include finding a job, getting into school, or extensive legal fees.
What is diversion?
Basically, diversion is an opportunity for youth between the ages of 8 and 17 who are arrested or contacted by law enforcement for misdemeanor or gross misdemeanor type offenses to go through a process outside of the court system.
What is a diversion agreement?
A typical diversion agreement can be comprised of community service work, restitution to a victim for actual damages or loss, a fine up to $100. It can also include a curfew, restriction from certain areas, mandatory school attendance, individual or family counseling, drug and alcohol assessment, or educational classes or seminars.
Who makes the decision whether or not a youth is eligible?
When a police officer responds to a situation out in the community where an incident has occurred, he makes the decision at that time to write up a police report. The report is sent to the juvenile court to be screened. Then once it reaches the prosecutor's office, it is reviewed for legal probable cause. If there is probable cause, the report finally ends up in the diversion unit.
What type of offenses qualify for diversion?
You can only qualify for diversion if you are under 18 and have no prior criminal history, and if the offense is considered a non-felony. Less serious offenses, such as possession or consumption of alcohol, possession of marijuana, trespassing, minor assault, vehicle prowling, or traffic offenses, can qualify for diversion.
How do you get a clean record?
Probably one of the most common myths of teenagers, however, is I can do whatever I want when I'm a teenager, and when I turn 18 it's just going to magically go away. That's not actually true. Diversion records are eligible for sealing and destruction, but it's not automatic. They have to ask for it and they have to be eligible.
To be eligible to have your records sealed, you have had to successfully completed your diversion agreement, and 2 years have elapsed since you requested to have the records sealed. Sealing is requested through the diversion office. You must not have any other pending criminal matters. Destruction of records is only possible if you have turned 18 and have successfully completed your diversion agreement. Destruction is possible if you have only one diversion.
What, again? I don't plan to drive on this job, so why are they always asking for my driver's license on these applications?
Young people especially who have gotten themselves so deep into having traffic and driver's license difficulties that they can never really have enough resources to get them out of that problem. Once you get a ticket, the current amount for a ticket is $101. That's the minimum for a moving violation today.
A valid driver's license is a job requirement, even if you do not drive on the job.
I believe that a lot of people that are in prison have started their life of crime at an early age. And many people at an early age use vehicles to commit crimes, whether they're driving or an occupant of a vehicle. They put themselves in a position where they can never get a driver's license and continue to go on and reoffend.
Hi, congratulations, you got the job.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you on Monday.
All right.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. Yes. I got that job.
Summary.
Getting into trouble as a youth can be detrimental to your future. If you do get into trouble, diversion is a great opportunity to have your case handled outside of the court system. Through diversion, it is possible to have your record sealed or destroyed. Having a clean record and a valid driver's license is very important for a positive future.